From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dry, itchy skin and stuffy air in your home or office? What if I told you there's a solution that can change that? Introducing the Air Humidifier Portable Mini from Kurdichk. This portable and king-size humidifier is top-rated for a reason. It's designed to moisturize your skin everywhere, leaving it feeling soft and supple to the touch. With its large-diameter water tank, you can add water easily and enjoy continuous humidification without the need for frequent refills. The gentle gurgle of the water as it humidifies the air is almost soothing. The digital screen display allows you to monitor the humidity levels, giving you complete control over the environment, and with its mouth spray feature, you can direct the mist exactly where you need it, feeling the cool mist on your skin as it works to lock in moisture. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness and ease of use, making it a popular choice for those looking to improve their indoor air quality. Whether you're looking to relieve dry skin, congestion, or just want to create a more comfortable atmosphere, this humidifier is the perfect solution. Its compact design makes it easy to take with you on the go, and its quiet operation means you can use it anywhere, at home, in the office, or even in your car. With the Air Humidifier Portable Mini, you can say goodbye to dry, uncomfortable air and hello to a healthier, more comfortable you, so why not give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.